welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how I cook my fried beans. In the pot already cooking, I'm using black eyed peas. In the pot I have 2.5 cups of beans. I'm going to cook it until it's done before we start frying. So over here we have a seasoning cube. This is optional. I have 2 habanero pepper chopped. If you don't like pepper, I like pepper a lot, but if you don't like it, you can use 1. If you want more, you can use as much as you want. I have half of a medium-sized onion already chopped here. I have about a large tomato already diced. This is not fresh, it's from this can. It's about 14.5 ounces, and I used half of it. About a large tomato. Then I'm gonna be using some olive oil and salt to taste. So we're gonna come back when it's done, and then we'll start adding everything together. It has been cooking for about an hour, and with beans you have to check it once in a while to see how it is progressing. I'm gonna get a couple of them in a spoon and press on it to check for doneness. You can tell it is done when it is soft and completely mashed. So I will strain it before frying the beans. It is important to note not to add salt at the beginning when cooking black eyed peas because it prolongs the cooking time. So you add some salt when it is almost done before straining the beans. If not, it will taste like a saltless pasta. I added some, but I didn't show it in the recording when I was checking for the doneness. In the pot, I'll be pouring in some olive oil, just enough for the beans. I don't measure it, I just eyeball it. That's how I was taught how to cook, just eyeball it. You can use as much as you prefer. I don't want mine to be drowning in oil. And you can also use any vegetable oil of your choice. I'm gonna let it heat up for a few minutes before I add the onion. So the oil is ready. I'm gonna put some onion. I'm just gonna put some salt. I want it to be a little bit translucent before I put the pepper and other things. So I'm gonna put in the pepper. I'm gonna dump in the tomato. I'm gonna put the seasoning cube, and I'll let it cook, let it fry a bit. As you can see, it's really fried. The pepper, the tomato, and the onion, you can see the oil. The color has changed and it's separate from the vegetable. So I'm gonna dump in my beans. Let me taste it for salt. Let me just put a little bit. It tastes so amazing. One fun fact about our beans, a lot of people just think, oh, because it's not too expensive, poor man's food. This food is really, really good. You can live on beans alone. It has a lot of nutrients that many food don't have. There's protein, there's fiber, there's carbohydrate, everything in these beans. So I want you to try this recipe. Subscribe to my channel if you have not. Click the notification bell for updates. Like the video if you enjoy watching my cooking. Comment below, let me know how you like your beans. Thanks for watching. God bless you. Bye.